Hey YouTube, I'm back. What's up? So today I've got something that I hope should be interesting. I'm back with this blast furnace contraption that we built a couple videos ago, and I want to see if I can get it hot enough to not melt, but get this piece of rebar hot enough where I can bend it, or maybe like shape it if I were to have an anvil or something like that. So I just wanted to see if I get it hot enough to glow where we could work it, and I could potentially get an anvil to make some stuff with pieces of steel. So that's the plan for today. I don't know if it's going to get hot enough to do that or not. We're going to find out. Also, it's really, well, it's not really cold, but it's probably 40 degrees in Georgia, which is cold for us. So I'm kind of freezing. I'm excited to get this fire going. So that's the plan for today. There we go. Alright. So first things first. Throw that in there. It's nope, that didn't do it. It's windy too. There we go. And now that didn't really work. Damn it. I got it running! Alright, I'm about to pull it out. It's been running for a couple minutes now. Look at that. That is definitely hot enough to work. Check. Hold on, I got big gloves on. Check that out. We definitely made it hot enough to work. I'm done getting this. I would definitely call that a success. So, if it's hot enough to do that, my guess is that it's hot enough to probably melt aluminum as well, though I'm not totally sure. But that I think is pretty cool. Very cool, actually. So now the next step, I guess, will be to make some sort of, well, either just buy an anvil or make some sort of rudimentary poor man's version of an anvil. I'm sure there's a couple ways we can do that. So that's actually very exciting. That little furnace is hot enough not to melt steel. I think rebar is it's just steel, isn't it? I think so. So we have a furnace that is capable of getting steel hot enough to be shaped into different things. So that's actually really, really exciting. That's very cool. And we built this little furnace for like $10. It was a plastic bucket, a soup can, an 8-inch piece of pipe, and a PVC coupling, some duct tape, and a couple shovelfuls of dirt. And now I can melt steel. Or not melt steel, but work steel. That's very cool.